I'm gonna take gelish foundation and I'm going to apply it over my nails, and I already have my nails built up, so this is going on top of my nails. So normally I wouldn't have put that gelish foundation over my gel that I had already applied, but I did fix a little spot. Since these are a couple days old, if there was any outgrowth, I wanted to make sure that it was covered in a soak off. So now I'm taking Appletini and I'm doing a nice thin layer, because again, this is built up and it's essentially just supposed to go over the nail to give it glitter, but obviously I don't have a ton on the brush and it's very flat, so I'm gonna do 2 coats of this. We are going to take none of your beeswax and a dotting tool, and this is how I'm going to make my stone shape. So we are making these kind of turquoise, kind of just very loose stones, and I set them in this metallic gold so it almost looks like it is encased in gold, and of course obviously had to have the glitter. So I am again taking that dotting tool and I'm making a couple different shapes to give the stones a different look.
It is slow motion crew, and we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding.
Finishing up with this double French, and then we are going to go in with that metallic gold. So when I outline the stones, I like to first outline and then I drag a little bit into the middle, because stones have veining and I really wanted to have that represented here. So I let some of the gold go in and then I use another brush to kind of smudge it around. And I also take a white striper brush from Bellavina, and again kind of creating that stone look. And it's pretty easy to outline with this tiny brush. This one's from Young Nails. It's like their micro detailer, and let me tell you, it's awesome. Here is that white striping brush, and this one is perfect because it's already, you know, put there, so I don't have to get another brush dirty. It's just easy, okay? So I just kind of like swipe it across some of them, and then I take that flat brush and kind of move it around. Coming in with a shiny top coat and going to add some cuticle oil, and we are all done.
Red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word. 'Cause you got me holding, holding.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.